Hi honeys, it's Michelle. I am here to do something I'm super excited about. I am going to do a Halloween unboxing. I know, I can't help it. I love the holidays, all of them. Halloween all the way to Easter, that's my time of year. The rest of the year, I don't know what to do with myself. I'm just kind of there. But I love holidays. I love decorating for them. I love the movies and the music and everything, especially with Halloween and Christmas. So I've got 3 different things I want to show you. I've got a box that my mom sent me, chock full of Halloween items. I've got a order of shirts that I got for Brad that I thought you guys might really like. And then I also got a Spirit Halloween order of home decor. So here's the package from my mom. As you see, it's very full. Like overflowing kind of full. Let's see. Okay, so some of this stuff isn't Halloween. It's okay. So she sent me a Perlice Blue Lotus and Seaweed Treatment Sheet Mask. She knows that I love Perlice. And then a New England Cookbook, 191 favorite all-time American dishes. I love this. I love old cookbooks. They're my thing. Menus for every mood. Oh, I don't want to take the other one out of the plastic, but look at this. Yummy. Pink rose fluff with strawberry rose sauce. Yes, please. Yummy. Then they have menus. Beef consomme, chicken with wine and herbs, Brussels sprouts with water chestnuts. Oh, that sounds good. Low calorie cherry wine sherbet. Okay, I am there. I am there for this. And these are menus that are to help reduce your waistline, it says. Okay. Can't wait to read that. Okay, this is something that I bought when I was at her house. She was going to bring a bunch of stuff down to me so I didn't have to fly with as much stuff. So I think she was just trying to fill up this box. But these are napkins that I bought at Bath and Body Works. They were on clearance for $5 for 8 of them. And I'm a big fan. So is Brad. It's something we got into right when we were first together, using these kind of napkins instead of paper napkins or paper towels. This is what we use when we eat, and we just love it. It's cheaper for starters because we're not buying so many products, but it also feels a lot more earth-friendly to be able to just wash these and move on. It also looks really pretty if I make the table and I have these beautiful napkins. Okay, and then she sent me some Vera Bradley Buffalo Plaid socks. I love these. These are cute. I might start wearing these soon. My feet are starting to get cold. It's 85 degrees out and my feet are cold. That's what's going on here. Okay, I think now we're getting into the Halloween stuff. Well, sort of. You see some other stuff in here. Okay, she sent me this t-shirt from her Cat Lady box. I've been cutting these up and making them into V-neck shirts that I just wear around the house when I'm cleaning or cooking or painting. And then this shirt, Treat Dealer by Cat Lady. I'll wear it, but the real treat dealer in our home is Brad. Brad is the one that gives the cats all their treats. And then she sent me these socks. I think these were from Dollar Tree. And I have big feet, so these are size 6 to 12. She got me one of these, and I knew this was coming. I love LuLaRoe shirts. It's like my favorite shirt ever. They're soft. I love the way they fit. I love how they have all these bright, wild patterns because I'm a very bright, wild kind of person. And she had sent me this picture. She found this, I think, at the Goodwill or at a thrift shop. And she asked me if I wanted it. And I said yes, because I think it's so pretty. So I'm definitely going to be getting a lot of mileage out of this. But I love LuLaRoe. Okay, then we've got, now we're getting into Halloween. Okay, yeah. I've got this sweater here. It's Voorhees Summer Camp. You'll have a killer of a time. I can't wait. It's going to be cooling off soon, and I can wear this, and it's nice and oversized. But, you know, I love scary movies, and Jason is definitely good for slasher films and such. Then she sent this apron, the Sanderson Sisters Brewing Company. This is one of my favorite Halloween movies. Although you're going to find out in a little bit what my absolute favorite Halloween movie is. But this is one of them. And in case you're not familiar with the Sanderson Sisters, they are the characters, the three witches who are sisters on the movie Hocus Pocus. And then this is another apron that's a Sanderson Sisters one. So, and it's got, they both have pockets on the front. It says Sanderson Witch Museum, home of the Black Flame Candle, which if you've seen the movie, you know what that's about. But I do like to wear aprons when I cook, and I actually kind of collect aprons. So this is definitely right up my alley. And that's everything. Thank you so much, Mom. I'm very excited about all of these. Look forward to using the aprons and wearing the clothes, and definitely wearing the socks and reading the recipe books. So I definitely am going to put all of this to good use. I found a website where you can get t-shirts, and I found Brad's been needing t-shirts, but he likes ones that are meaningful or funny in some way to him. And so I was able to find some shirts that he really liked, and they were at a place called Box Lunch. And I will put their website up here. I'll also put it down in the description box. So the first shirt that I got him was this one. It says, "I'm here for the booze." And it's in a size large, which that's his size. It turns out, though, I think the size large is the most popular size because there's quite a few shirts I wanted to get him that were sold out in his size. But this one's not really Halloween, but he really liked this one. Gosh, this one looks really little. Is this a man's shirt or a little kid's shirt? Well, we'll find out when he goes to put it on, but it looks really little. And this Freddy Krueger Follow Your Dreams, which we thought was awesome. We love Freddy Krueger. Brad and I are definitely scary movie people, slasher films, that kind of thing. We're all about it. And then the last thing that I'm going to open, oh, where did my scissors go? Oh, there they are. The last thing I'm going to open is from Spirit Halloween. This is something I've been wanting to get for the longest time, and I was even thinking about making one of these, but I finally decided when you look at the cost of the supplies to make one of these, it's probably better to just buy one. But I might still eventually make one if I ever find one. It's the right size and everything. Oh, It's not even in here. Alrighty then. So this is my favorite Halloween movie. It's Trick or Treat, and these are magnets. I got 2 of them. That's weird. I don't remember buying 2 of them. And then I guess I'll put a picture of the other item I bought, because okay, it's not in here. It's a doll of this character from this movie. And I thought the doll was in here because look at how big this box is. They put a magnet in there. I don't know why. But this is the little guy though that I'm getting a doll of, and I think it's 11 inches tall. So it should be perfect for my mantle. I'm super excited because I love this movie. By far my favorite Halloween movie. It's called Trick or Treat, and if you've seen it, I think it's based off of a comic book, which I plan on getting and reading eventually because I love the movie so much. I've probably seen it 20 times now. I just can't get enough of it. I really love this movie. I do love Hocus Pocus. I love the Freddy Krueger movies and the Halloween movies, especially the first 2 and the Rob Zombie ones and the last one. Those are the ones that I like. And then what else do I like? I like Sinister #1, not #2, and I'll have to put the name up here, but there's a movie about a box that Brad and I really like. I can't think of the name. I also like the Conjuring movies. So definitely a horror fan. Poltergeist 1 and 2 I like, 3 not so much. So let me know down in the comments if you have favorite Halloween movies, what they are. I'd love to find more good ones to watch. Well, that's it. That's my Halloween haul. Thank you so much for watching. As you see back here, I'm still in the process of putting my Halloween/fall stuff out, but it'll be finished sometime soon. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day or night. I love you. Bye.